One man have vowed that he will not leave and see Biafra to come. They say the massive of terrorist attack going on in Plateau State. He said the thing don't become too much. Oh. Things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome back. The PM will be Simon Ekpa say he is coming back with earthquake to Nigeria. Biafra restoration. Things are happening. Okay, before we go look into the Ogbonge news we will get for hand today, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, wait till you wait or your hand lele, may you make sure say you go subscribe right now and also turn your notification bell, because we'll get a lot of story to hear. A lot of things is going on all over the world as we are speaking. The world is truly falling apart, and the truth about this our world will surely come. So let's take it one after the other and look what is going on around Biafra and Nigeria territories. Okay, let's take it one after the other. They say for Plateau State, say the way terrorists they slaughter people for that side. The worst part of it is that the government are not even interested to rescue them. What they're after is to end the world called Biafra, because they feel like when Biafra exists, they will not have much to dominate in Southeast. And this man have cried out and say he's not going to shut up for the killings of their people for inside Plateau and other part of North. The way they are slaughtering Christians and the world are not saying anything about it. Let's go and play the video for you to watch, and when we come back, we'll continue. Stay tuned.
All Christians all over the world, we are really under persecution from Islamic terrorists in Nigeria. I submitted 326 lists of widows, 84 orphans that were killed in crisis. Now additional 3 widows have been added just in one night, receiving killing almost every day. And they will say I should keep quiet. I will not keep quiet. Boring people on daily basis, moving from one village to another. And the government is not doing something to know about Mahanga. This is a stronghold of the terrorists in Plateau. It is from Manga, they kill Evemanja, the vice president of Church of Christ in Nation. It is in Manga, they kill my grandmother. From Manga, they kill my uncle. From Manga, they kill one of my grandmother from the other house. My best friend that we grow, Daniel. Gan. It is from Manga, they born his wife and 6 children, or 5 children. We have been preaching, pressing down our youth. They should accept patient. That is why they have never gone out to attack. But we are praying that God, give us one day, according to your will, shall we pursue the Fulani? We are asking God of heaven and earth to respond. And when God says it is time, I will take vengeance for you, according to Ezekiel chapter 36. We are praying and fasting, asking God, shall we pursue you? When God will say we should go, let me tell you, what will happen in 24 hours? Nobody can be contented with that. We are waiting for that day. All my youth, we are except patient. We are waiting for that day. We need help. Our people are dying in silence. They have been selling siege all over. That is why we will not keep quiet, because I love the Muslim. We must stop them from killing us. The terrorists. We must stop them from killing us.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As you have watched this video, please, anybody who knows this man should share this message to this man. I know that the religion Christianity, Christianity will be say we know they like to share blood, but truth of the matter is that the terrorists don't understand any other language, is to do what they are doing, respond the way they respond. Likewise, what is happening in Israel. If the world let them call them to know that they will never stop, unless Israel scare them with a massive bombardment. As they are in Israel fighting, before they will return home, they find that their home has been wiped out. That is only language they understand. Any action that the youth have to take, let them go ahead and take the action. Stop crying. The Christianity religion is the weakest religion that we wait for God to fight for us. Remember, God also said in the Bible that devil will help those who help themselves. You understand? So, and the kingdom of God suffers violence. The violent one, now then go survive more. So I picked these 2 scriptures in the Bible, and this is where my mind is in a Christianity as I'm talking to you right now. I don't wait for God to come down from heaven to fight for me. I pray God to guide and protect me to fight my enemy. And this is the language that the Biafra people have to speak on. God, help me to win the wars in my doorstep, and God will protect you to win the war. So this is my message I get for this pastor or reverend, whoever it be. Okay, my people, this one will totally shock you. You know, when people are running their mouth, talking, you think that are making sense, but look what they're saying, they are not making sense. It's trying to build a hatred between Igbos and other tribe, in other tribe, for them to hate each other. I'm going to play this video to what. Just pay very, very attentive to this video, and we're going to respond in comments or whatever you have in your mind to respond.
The problem of Nigeria is almost 90% the handwork of Igbo man. The problem in the southeast is 99.9% of Igbo man. The shouting, oh, it's a Biafra, oh, it's a Biafra, we want to get ourselves. Who put ourselves here? Who put ourselves here? You see the difference why other tribes are finding it difficult to work with the Igbo man. Because they call it spade a spade. But the Igbos in the southeast, they romance it. Because if Nigeria open their mouth and tell you what these people did and return home and lie to Igbo people, you will be ashamed of yourself. It's just the same way when you will fully know the mindset behind the activities of Nnamdi Kanu. You see this Biafra, in 100 lifetime, it will end on social media. Don't worry, be shouting Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. We will see how this Biafra will materialize. The last mistake the Igbo man will make in a time like this is to bear arm against Nigeria. And I'm telling you, the southeast will be obliterated from the face of this planet Earth. Mark my word, it is not hatred that drives me. It is the evil unimaginable committed in Igbo land by Igbo sons and daughters, shared by the same Igbo sons and daughters whose lives are in danger. That is what I don't understand. The people who their house is on fire, they are busy chasing rats. They want to kill the rats and their house is on fire. That place is a graveyard where the future of Igbos are buried, a graveyard where the wealth of Igbos are buried, a graveyard where the next generation of Igbo, in fact, they want to bury the next generation of Igbo inside the graveyard called IPOB. IPOB lead Igbo people to nowhere. Any Igbo man that want to die because of Nnamdi Kanu, let them die. You met Nnamdi Kanu there. Leave Nnamdi Kanu. Let him continue with Bintanyanko. All these things they are doing is so they drag you inside. They say, see what Yoruba do. Have you noticed President Ahmed Bola Tinubu that they have left Hausa people alone? Now Fulani headsmen, Miati Allah, they are no longer terrorists destroying Igbo land. And let me tell you, before you know now, they will be singing praise of Hausa Fulani. Let one Fulani man now come and say, I release Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu. You will see all this Otimpu. They will now tell you that yes, that the Fulani people are Jewish people. They came from Mountain Everest of Israel. They are the real original Israel. That is how they behave. Monkeys. When they get hold of one branch, they look for another. Biafra is a scam from the pit of hell. If it's a scam from Yahoo, we would have understood it's about the money. But this one is a scam from the pit of hell. By implication, it requires blood money. When Nnamdi Kanu raised dragon flag, they did not know that that dragon flag requires blood sacrifice, which Igbo youth are paying for today. Dead sense.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back. As I've watched that video, you know, this has become the problem that we have since decades, that this struggle have started of restoration of Biafra, and so many people are raising to fight against their own people. If you trace this man very well, you will know that he is also a Biafran. But the issue there is that they will do anything to fight against their own people. The reason is because they are frustrated. The reason is that they can't count anything good in their life they have achieved. So their envy, and their envy is that they are not the ones who are in forefront of this particular fight. When you hear him talking, 90% of Biafras or 80% of Biafra will say he's saying the truth. And other people like us will never buy to this particular idea of his. Let me tell you, you can't hold your past forever. We know that we have done some mistake in life. Maybe the Biafrans, the Igbos have done a lot of mistake in life, but holding in your past is like you never want to grow anymore in life. So anybody coming up now remembering you your past, that person is the enemy of Biafra. He is the one who wants to pull you down by all means, or who wants to sabotage the struggle by all means. And the Biafra should be aware of this. When you see an Igbo man coming out to speak against his own people, yeah, Biafra is a scam, this one is a scam, Nandekali is a scam, this is a scam, is because they never have the opportunity to be there. And most of them have nothing to lose in any part of Nigeria. They don't have any access in any part of Nigeria. Most of them, that those who even have access in Nigeria are not speaking out, because they know what they are passing through achieving those access they have in other part of Nigeria as well. So those who are talking this thing are just the demons they send against their own people. And I have to tell this to anybody who is in forefront in this particular movement of actualization of the state of Biafra. If you are, be you who you are, you must make sure that your hands are clean. The day you think to save money for your children, to save money for yourself, even though it did not work, you have nothing to lose, that day you dig your grave, because you will live upon the blood of millions of people that have died in this cause. And that day you give your generation everlasting cause. That money will be squandered for your children who you are saving it for no reason. And you labor for nothing, you sabotage your people for nothing, you sell your people for nothing. So those who are in forefront of this struggle should be very, very careful. My message to Biafra is that do never you buy to this kind of videos anytime you come across them. I want us to talk about it in a comment section. Leave your own opinion and your advice to people in the north, which Nigeria government have formed a blind eyes, I guess. The terrorists are slaughtering people and destroying peoples in north, but they are not seeing it. Their interests focus on Southeast, because they know that if Southeast break away from Nigeria, they are going to feel the pain. So this is what is going on. I want you to share this video and make sure that millions of Biafras get this message. And also don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to this channel. Those who are saying Biafra will not come, Biafra will come in your back when you have gone. Those who wish Biafra to come, Biafra will come with genuinity.